That's what we just said. We should set up shop.
And I
before
said,
we lose too many customers.
do it in the start.
That's a good spot, because this is where everybody's going by. Pardon us. Can you get by?
I think so, yeah. All right, yeah, pardon us, folks. Steve does pardon us.
Yeah, right. That's good. Right here, you can take it. Right here, give my back up just a little bit.
All right, there you
You
go.
don't want to go farther.
Yeah, don't have to go too far. You want to
That's it. We're doing a cookie with free sample.
This will get people
That's
out.
okay. Come in up close. Come in up close. That's right.
We are the Longshoremen. We work
Along the shore.
and we are here to help you celebrate the 7
Seas Food Festival.
Come and get it!
Yeah, it's good.
I know it's good. I know it's good.
So for the 7 Seas Food Festival.
Come and get it!
Okay, all right, they got it.
I know they got it, yeah.
Yeah. So we have a cookbook which we're going to demonstrate for the 7 Seas Food Festival.
Would you drop it? Sure.
Oh, what was that?
You said drop it.
Yeah. Oh no, not that. Come here.
What?
The point is, guys, we're going to be working with food.
Right,
we don't want to get our uniforms dirty.
Good thinking, boss.
That is smart.
There we go.
What are you doing? Hey, pull your pants.
You said not to get our uniforms dirty.
Yeah, I'm talking about aprons.
I wouldn't have any
aprons. Yes, we do. I got them in the cart.
Here.
There you
Oh,
go.
cool, thanks. There we go. Hey, wait, mine's broken.
It's not broken. It goes on the other way.
Got it. Hi.
Hey, help your cousin. Oh, got it. See that?
Yeah.
You take your arm.
Yeah.
You put it right through the hole,
Oh.
just like that.
No,
Yeah, see?
Guys, hey, it goes like that.
Yeah, yeah. See,
Whoa,
like
hey,
that.
spin out of that.
All right.
Uh-oh.
What? Oh, what was that for?
That was for him.
I'll deliver.
That?
All
No,
right.
I don't want it.
Hey,
I don't want it. I don't want
Give
it.
it to me.
What?
Guys, it goes over your head like that.
Oh.
Got it. Toro.
I want to play too.
No, put it over your head.
Oh, fine. Ta! Hey, look, up in the sky.
Oh.
It's a bird. It's a plane. It's Super Lester.
Yeah.
Ba ba da da ba. Ba ba ba.
What are you supposed to be?
I'm a superhero.
You look more like a stupid hero. Spin out of that.
Okay. You're my hero.
Oh,
Good there. Guys, they tie in the back.
Oh, they
all right?
do?
Tie it
Yeah.
back. Oh, hey, would you mind helping me tie this?
It's too windy. Boss, my tie's in the front.
Your tie's in the front.
It's all broken.
I don't know if that's broken necessarily.
Oh. Oh, very nice. There you go. Oh, that's good. Very skilled.
Okay.
My turn.
Alright, no
My
one's
turn.
turn. No
Okay.
one else's turn.
right.
Guys, we are almost ready to cook. We've got one thing though.
What's that?
Right. It's right here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Guys. Yada 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 yada.
Yada-da-da-da.
Hey.
Hats. Guys.
We're wearing hats.
Yeah,
Call
no,
that?
but you need a chef's hat.
Oh, we don't have any chef's hats.
Yes, we do. I brought a whole bag of hats.
A bag of hats?
Bag of hats. It's amazing.
Oh, there it is.
You think I got a bag of hats?
Alrighty, boss.
Come on now.
I got my chef's hat.
Okay, well, I will be the head chef. You be the sous chef.
No, boss. My name is Lester, not Sue.
Hello, my name's Sue. And where'd you find that?
From the bag of hats.
I said a chef's hat.
Oh. Da-da-da-da-da. Hey.
Hey.
Hold
All right,
on.
hold time. Good. Now we are almost ready. So for the 7 Seas Food Festival. No more ding-a-ling. Okay, we have the Longshoremen's 100 ways that
Cook
make
chicken.
That's right. So here you go. I need somebody out here to give me a number between 1 and 100.
92.
92. With vigor.
Hey.
Okay, now I want you to tell me what kind of chicken are we making?
Jerk.
Hey, I just asked you what kind of chicken we were making.
I don't know.
You don't need to be rude. You
Oh.
tell me what kind of chicken we are making.
Jerk.
Well, I never. Folks, I'm so sorry. We're making jerk chicken.
Made by a real jerk.
All right. Well, next we gotta preheat the grill. all
Preheat
right?
the grill.
No problem. Here's our charcoal.
Oh, here's the charcoal.
Oh, we don't need charcoal.
Oh, we don't need charcoal.
Oh, yes we do.
Oh, yes we do.
Oh, oh.
Those men for the boss.
Well, then give it to him.
All right.
No, stop that. All right, let me have it.
Okay. Oh, jeez.
Guys, we don't need charcoal because I got gas.
Fire in the hole!
A gas grill, guys, it's a gas grill.
gas grill.
That's a relief.
Oh.
Okay. Now let's make sure we got all our ingredients.
I got a real
All
shot.
right, do you have the time?
Yeah, it's like 4:15.
No, the spice. Time.
Oh, it's spice time. No, all we got is this time.
That's the British spelling.
Oh,
That's weird.
All right.
Okay, now what about the chili powder?
Yeah, here's the chili powder.
Chili powder.
All right, you got the salt?
Yeah, here's the salt.
Salt. Oh, whoopsie. Oh.
Hey, whoa.
Yeah. Oh. Sorry, boss.
Guys, don't you know it's bad luck to spill salt?
It is.
Yeah, you gotta grab a pinch, throw it over your left shoulder.
Oh, okay.
Ow!
Did that get rid of the bad luck?
You tell me.
Oh.
No, it did not.
Okay, pick all this up.
All right.
Hey, don't throw it unless he can catch it.
Okay, got it.
All right, now what about the eggs?
Yeah, right here. Here are the eggs.
Eggs. Ah!
Guys, what did I just say? Don't throw it.
Unless he can catch it.
I caught it.
See?
All right, just let's get a bowl and start mixing stuff.
Oh, got it,
Boss,
boss.
no problem.
Oh, what's this? Boss, I am your father. That's good. Oh! What'd you do that for?
It's a bowl, not a helmet.
You're no fun.
Hey, boss, check me out. I got a bowl on my head.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, hey, that didn't hurt at all.
Really?
Yeah, really. Oh, I was wrong.
All right, now we don't have time for this,
Oh,
boys.
no, I got the time over here.
Well, I need it over here.
Oh, got it.
Oh,
Now you got plenty of time.
Oh, that's good.
now I need you to give me a pinch.
Got it.
Ow! What was that for?
You say give you a pinch.
Of salt.
I don't think that's what you said.
Yes, it is. I said, give me a pinch. Ow! Of salt.
Oh, I didn't hear that part.
You're not a good
Pinch of
listener.
salt.
That's an accurate assessment, boss.
All right, now after salt comes.
High blood pressure.
What? No, pepper. You give me high blood pressure.
Well, boss, if you've got high blood pressure, you should definitely go see a doctor.
I need somebody call for a doctor.
Who are you supposed to be?
Well, I'm your doctor. Dr. Pepper.
Hey!
All right,
That's
Doctor.
good.
3 shakes in the bowl.
You got it. One.
No.
Two.
No.
Three.
No. Oh! What was that?
It was the black pepper.
Looks more like green pepper.
No, it's black pepper.
No, it's not. It's not.
Oh, guys, you have successfully ruined this batch of jerk sauce.
Yay!
Oh, yay! We gotta start over. Give you a
Yeah.
new bowl, same ingredients.
All right, boss, whatever you say.
Clearly, folks, we're not gonna
Same
serve that to
ingredients.
anybody. We uphold the highest.
Boss. New
Right.
bowl, same ingredient.
Okay, now we need the lime. 2 squirts of lime.
There you go. Yep.
2 squirts.
Yep.
One.
Ah!
Two.
That burns! That burns! Lime juice burns when you get it in your eye.
Let's flip it around.
Oh, sorry.
Ah!
Oh.
Oh, burns in the other eye too.
Put it in the bowl.
I'm trying. Got it.
Okay, good. Now let's get the brown mustard.
Brown mustard.
We need a good squeeze of brown
Yeah, that'll
mustard.
Go straight around my gut.
Okay. Hey, are you done? Now you're done. Just cut it, all right?
Ah! He cut the mustard.
Okay, now we need the chili powder.
Chili powder, I got it over here.
powder.
Oh, you got it?
Hey, wait, it's not coming out.
Oh, you gotta test the bottom on that.
It's got all the holes in the top
Then
of
they
it.
get clogged up.
Yeah,
They
I
test the
need
bottom
that,
of
damn
it.
it.
It's not
No,
coming out.
it's
It's
fine.
ready. Type
Ah!
it.
Oh no! A chili powder burns when you get it in your eyes. I need something to wash
Hey,
this
use
off.
that.
What is this?
Vinegar.
Oh, that is so much worse.
What?
The sauce.
How much?
2 swigs.
2 swigs.
2 swigs.
All right.
Ugh.
2 swigs.
Wow.
Yeah. Here, boy.
Here's the vegetable oil. We need a cup of vegetable
A cup of vegetable oil. How much is that?
Nah, about like that.
Got it.
Cup of vegetable
Cup of
oil.
vegetable oil. Yeah. Oh,
Hey, that's what the apron's for.
I'm sorry.
What? Not my. All right, look, 2 eggs freshly cracked.
2 eggs. You got the eggs?
2 eggs.
Freshly cracked.
Freshly cracked.
Caught the wind.
Yeah.
Here you go, boys.
Okay, now here's the soy sauce. 2 shimmies.
2 shimmies.
2 shimmies.
All right, good. Now it's time that we give this a
You
kick.
got it, boss.
Oh, what was that for?
I gave it a kick.
No, I'm talking about the sauce.
Oh, kick the sauce guy.
No,
Why?
don't kick the sauce. I'm talking about this.
Oh, kick that. Got it.
Hey,
Hey, awesome.
Hey, hey, hey,
Oh.
Ow! 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 Hey! That didn't hurt at all. Oh, really? Yeah.
No. No.
Oh, that did.
Hey, you gotta be careful. You almost spilled the hot sauce.
That's hot sauce? Yeah. Oh, man, I love hot sauce.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. You love it so much. Why don't you take a big swig of it? We don't need it for that. We got plenty.
No,
Go
don't do
ahead.
that.
Sweet.
Ew.
It's not hot. What do you mean it's not hot? Read my lips. No, that's the hottest sauce. Well, it's not hot. Okay, give it to me. Look, here, let me see. Okay, it was super hot. Right there. Hot sauce burns when you get it in your eye. Guys, I'm talking about this. Ready? And a one. And a two. And a one for my homies.
Yeah, and the one for my homies. Hey, it tastes pretty good.
Yeah, that's Longshoremen jerk chicken.
Made by a real jerk.
Ah, that's twice.
Gotcha again.
Twice.
All right, now it's time we baste the bird.
We're gonna baste the bird.
Where's the bird? In the bag.
You got a bird in the bag?
Where's the bag? In the bag.
We're gonna baste the bird in the bag in the back?
Yeah, get the meat.
Where's the meat?
In the bag. We got a bag of meat. Get the chicken.
Oh, the chicken.
The chicken.
Got it, yeah.
Oh,
That's disgusting. That chicken ain't been plucked yet.
No, that's not
Oh,
the
why would
chicken.
anybody eat that? That's
Look,
horrible.
Hey, it just
Oh, it's got you, boss. I'll save you. Oh,
Stop it!
That's
Stop
how
it!
you
It's
eat
all right,
Rice's
relax.
head.
Just
Oh, it's got you.
Okay, stop! It's a hat. It's a winter hat.
Hey, boss,
Yeah.
why do you got a winter hat in Florida?
Because under 70 degrees, my ears get cold.
Well, that makes more sense, boss. There we go.
Oh, chicken!
Oh, there
Hey,
you
that
go.
chicken! Looking
Okay.
good, boss.
Now, when you are basting the bird, you gotta be careful because this sauce is so hot, it'll put hair on your chest.
Are you serious?
Dead serious. What are you doing?
If it works on your chest?
Oh,
Give me that.
What?
I want you to baste the bird.
oh,
Boss,
sweet.
I was trying to do it.
Yeah.
Ah!
You moved it.
Baste the bird.
Yeah,
Boss,
got it.
I was gonna
Yeah,
do
no.
You moved it.
Baste the chicken.
I'm trying, but this turkey keeps getting in the way.
You know what?
What?
Never mind. We'll baste it on the grill. Okay.
Oh, on the grill.
On
That's
the
good.
grill, right?
There we go.
Ow.
Careful, boss.
You know what, guys? Safety first. Always use your oven mitts.
That's right. I got my oven mitt.
I got my oven mitt.
And I got my oven mitt.
Oh, that's a real pretty oven mitt, boss. Or should I say, Betty Crocker? Oh, Sarah Lee. Oh, little Debbie.
Boss is a girl.
Oh,
Sorry, boss.
Okay, guys, we gotta flip the bird.
Oh,
flip the
right,
bird.
boss,
Yeah.
All right, they seem like nice people, but what
No,
if you say?
no, no, no.
Oh,
Hey,
oh,
wait a
oh.
second, boss. He was just doing what you told him
Oh,
to do.
yeah.
Ow!
Oh.
Ow!
You two, listen.
No,
now.
No, you listen.
Ow!
Ow!
Ow! All right, guys, on three, we let go.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Ow! You didn't let go.
Because I knew you wouldn't let go. Ow, 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 ow.
Flip the chicken.
Oh, on the grill.
Oh,
Got it.
Boss, it's stuck to the grill.
We'll give it a good heave-ho.
Oh,
Oh, no, hey,
thank
hey.
you.
No, what are you guys doing?
Wait, the bite of chicken flew away.
Chickens can't fly.
That chicken flew.
What do you call this then, you jerk?
Cool.
That's jerk chicken, jerk.
Oh, well, this jerk goes on the grill, all right? On the grill.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, my biscuits are burning. My biscuits are burning.
Boss, we make a biscuit. We're making jerk chicken.
Oh, you come
Like,
here.
ow, 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 ow. Hey, Tommy! Hey, Tommy! Get it!
Folks, we wanted to give you some samples of our Longshoremen jerk chicken made by real jerks. But we ran out of meat.
Oh, gee, boss, there's a little bit left.
Yeah. Ground chicken. That's good.
Folks, we're the Longshoremen, and as we like to say, may your ship come in and all your cargo be light. Have a great day at SeaWorld, everybody. Enjoy the Seven Seas Food Festival.
Ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.
Jay, that was a good sauce there.
Yeah, I know, boss.
Yeah. Like Rooney. Guys, put chicken on the ground. Oh, get it off the grill. Oh, sure. Absolutely. Come on over and try some sauce. No.
Let's go chicken offer.
I know.
Got it. Thank you.
Sorry we didn't have your examples, but I messed it all up.
Yeah.
I messed it up. That's what I'm for. That's not what happened.